Hey guys, it's Nikki, and I just saw how bad that lighting is. I'm sorry, I was trying to keep these bright lights off so I could show you guys the foil without having to go back and forth, but that looked awful. So anyway, I know that it is incredibly late. I am filming this at 9:52 p.m. on Friday night. If you would like to see the current state of my office, you can check my Instagram stories. I have been cutting since 8 a.m. so about 14, what is math? About 14 hours, I think, at this point, cutting and packaging. So I'm really happy to say that I just started packaging UPS orders today. We've been cutting through them, but I did these different. I did one huge batch of orders. Bad choice. I'm not going to do that again, but that does mean that now they're going quickly. I would say 75% of those shipped today / are going out in the morning. I am exhausted though, but I was trying to get through as many as possible. Right now is the Facebook group coupon. If you're interested in that, 25% off this weekend for the Facebook group. And also I have dropped our processing times back down to 1 to 2 weeks. They were at 2 to 3 for UPS. So the remainder, I can't talk, the remainder of those orders, I hope I can get out on Monday. I'm gonna work on them some more this weekend. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna have an issue getting them out between like Monday and Tuesday. So this is this week's new releases. There was some other stuff I wanted to say and can't remember. There's gonna be a lot of shop updates upcoming. I wanted to do them this week, but just honestly did not have time. But I am releasing a vlog probably Sunday. So you guys, I'm gonna talk about it in the vlog a little bit. Anyway, let's get to it. I need to go to bed. These were put up on the website Thursday evening. I did at least get that done. But I intended to do these last night. It was too late, and then I intended to do them this morning and get this done before like noon, and then I got into this groove where I was like, oh my goodness, I can get out so many of these orders. I don't want to quit. So that's basically what happened. So I've got 2 new collections. Technically one is a reformat, and I'm gonna turn the lights down to try to show you all the foil. Did that, yeah, that kinda, okay. So the first one that I've got is called Hop. That's what I'm showing you guys right now. And as you can see, hopefully, Ozzy is also very mad. So if you hear that ball, he's throwing a little temper tantrum because I've been in this office all day. So this is the bottom washi sheet for the deluxe version of the kit. It's still not really doing what I want it to do. It's just gonna have to happen. There we go. So this is one reason that I didn't get the video done last night. It took me so long to do this bottom washi. But I knew what I wanted, and just I love how it turned out. Also, you guys will see I went ahead and updated the kits. They've got bows now on the skinny washi. They did have the little bow drops, but I really wanted the bows for the Lavender collection, which you guys will see in just a second. And then I liked how it looked, so I decided, like, let's just go ahead and move the kits to that. But you guys let me know in the comments down below how you feel. You've got your date covers, washi strips, you've got some boxes up top, and then your weekly tracker. This is gold foil, and then here are your full boxes, which again also took me way longer than expected. I kept like taking things and removing them. The design consult team was helping me out with a bunch of stuff, and like nobody could agree on anything, but they're good now. I'm obsessed with how they turned out, and basically I just needed to move the eggs into the bottom washi and keep the little eggs with the ears on this sheet right here. So your foil pieces, you've got this heart made out of daisies, and you've also got some more daisies down here at the bottom. I really love this egg that has the bow and the ears, and then you've just got some like confetti / bow / I don't know, like sparkle through the edges. Your quote box says Happy Easter, Cottontail Station Delivery Service, which I thought was just super cute. And then up here you've got a different one of those eggs with the ears, and then some more of that like confetti washi. So those 2 sheets are part of the deluxe version, but the full box is the same and everything. Next, I'm not going to cut the lights back on, you guys. I just want to get this done and uploaded, so we're just going to try to get through this. So next is your second sheet in the deluxe kit. You've got date numbers, you've got your scripts, your icons, and your checklist. This yellow is insanely light, and I didn't realize that until I did the test prints. I'm thinking that before I start mass printing these, I'm actually going to adjust that to be just a bit darker so that you can see it. I did not realize quite how pale it was, and I like pale stuff a lot of the times, but for this I think it's just too light. It's almost like you almost can't see it. So I think I'm gonna pull that just a little bit of a deeper yellow. Yeah, anyway. I'm getting so distracted because my phone is to my right, I'm sorry, and I just posted this picture in my office, and I've already seen where like Erica just said, oh my god, you need wine, Cricket Paper Co. Samantha May Sticks, oh my god, I felt the pain in this picture. You guys, it's a mess. Go check it out if you've got Instagram. Okay, so we've got appointment labels, you've got some boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, and eighth boxes. That sheet is the same in both mini and deluxe. So is this one. You've got your glitter headers, your washi strips, and then your little things. And then your next sheet in the deluxe kit is your ombre heart checklist. You've got your flags, you've got your date, you've got your daily trackers, and that is the deluxe version of the kit. For the mini, I'm gonna cut my lights back on. And I don't even know why I did that, because as soon as I go, sorry, there's a box under me. As soon as I go over to the lavender kit, I'm gonna have to turn it back off again, but that's okay. So for the mini kit, you have got your full boxes. Your next sheet, you've got your, I just turned my light off, there we go. Your scripts, your heart checklist, your icons. Next sheet is the appointment labels, quarter boxes, and half boxes. Your next sheet has your little things, your washi, and your glitter headers. And then your last sheet, which is your foiled sheet, is exactly the same, except for you get 2 daily trackers instead of those 2 boxes that were on deluxe. I did 3 micro kits for this. I don't know if that was necessary. It probably wasn't, but I loved so many of the boxes that I went ahead and did it. That's kind of what's been happening. So for hop 1, you've got that egg with the ears, the bows around it, and then the peeps. You've got your date covers, boxes, heart checklist. You've got 8 of the bow headers, and then your flags. Next sheet will be the same in all of the kits that I'm about to show. You've got your 3 heart checklist, weekly tracker, daily tracker, little things, washi, and then boxes down at the bottom. So hop 1 is the bunny and the peeps. Hop 2, I thought this one was more just spring. So you've got your daisies. And then hop 3, if I can get to it, has your bunny ears and then the cottontail box. So those are the 3 micro kits for hop, and then full boxes are available as well. We have got both glossy and premium matte, but that's part of the announcement and everything that I'm going to be talking about in the vlog. Moving on to lavender. I'm not going to turn, yeah I am. Yeah I am. It's just, it's so impossible to see the foiling. Okay, so this was a best-selling kit last year, so I wanted to bring it back. I have already done 1 micro kit for this, and I did 1 more. So this one says Live Simply. You've got the girl right here, the lilac right there, and then same format as the other one, so I'm just going to show it to you guys. This one does have solid washi. So, moving back over here, this has one of my favorite bottom washi sheets of all time. And I don't have a mini kit with this, by the way, sorry. But from the format that I just showed, you can kind of, so this is going to always, I think, be one of my favorite bottom washies of all time. This is rose gold foil. So what I've got here are the little like bunches of lilac, and they're like on these strings, and they're tied with the foiled bows. And I don't know, just something about that. I love it so much. And you guys can see, kind of looking at this, why I decided to do the bows here versus like the drop down bows that we had, because there was already this line like string going through. I didn't want another kind of, you know, like string like thing. So there is your bottom washi, and then here is your full box sheet. This is so perfect for spring for me. Like, I love it. I love the colors. I just had to bring this one back. So you've got 2 quote boxes, Live Simply and C'est La Vie, and then you've got a bunch of lavender throughout. You've got some foiled boxes around here and here, and then that bow as well. There's a little bit of foiling down here. My camera cut off. Anyway, so those are your full boxes and your bottom washi slash date cover sheet. And then just really quickly, this is the deluxe version of the kit. So you've got your checklist, your script, your date numbers and icons, appointment labels, quarter boxes, half boxes, and then again you'll have that solid washi in here. So you've got little things and washi and glitter headers, and then your ombre heart checklist. So yeah, that is this week's new releases. I'm gonna upload this video and then probably go straight to bed, but if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Let me know how you guys feel about them in the comments. Do you like this update to the bows and the strips? And yeah, I think that's it. I will talk to you guys next week. Bye guys.